Hi, this is Chris Schomburg, and today we're going to learn a little bit about hydroelectric energy. This is a Pelton turbine, and how it works is it actually reverses the water like a cup. It takes a cup type idea, and then it actually splits it out, and so basically it shoots it back in the opposite direction. And so the idea is to kind of create a jet of very fast moving water, and that allows this to rotate really quickly. Now, it's not real quick because it's so heavy. It has a huge momentum. So I actually had to gear it up right here. You can see the gears. And we have a very large gear set here to the very smallest gear set that we had on the solar car kits. And then we just used a hobby motor right here that actually works better in this case because it just doesn't have as much torque, has a lot faster RPM, and that's what we're looking for. I do want you to notice right here, this is an LED. I have a covering so I can cover it if it gets too wet. So I will cover it, but we'll do one with it covered and one without it covered. So right now I have basically my shower head, so I'm gonna get that into the view real quick here. And you can see this is the shower head. It basically has 2 or 3 different settings. I basically just want the setting to get as much high density flow as I possibly can.